Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, April 8, 2022 and here is Sports Highlight. Revealed, the coach that rejected Orlando Pirates' recent offer and why. Orlando Pirates had reportedly made an attempt to try appoint a coach to replace Mandla Ncikazi and Fadlu recently. A surprise report has emerged that Pirates were in negotiations with current Simba SC coach Pablo Franco Martin. Pirates have been without a head coach since parting ways with German tactician Josef Zenbauer at the beginning of the current season. They then appointed his former assistants Ncikazi and Davids to steer the Buccaneers ship for the rest of the season. The club board has reiterated their support for the duo, through various rumors of new coaches taking over as well as fan unrest at some of the team's results. It now came as a surprise that, according to Africa Sport Today, they wanted to appoint Martin before the end of the current season. Simba SC head coach Pablo Franco Martin has turned down an offer to be Orlando Pirates' interim head coach. In an online meeting with Pirates administrator Floyd Mbiel, the Spanish tactician expressed his desire to win trophies this season with Simba SC before he could think of a move outside Tanzania. Interestingly enough, Pirates are set to take on Simba in the CAF Confederations Cup next round, which will see Martin come head-to-head with Ncikazi and Davids. Could we see them sitting on the same bench next season? This is Luke for the South African.